Okay, we're down here at AIS today. Going to do a walkthrough on this 70 series Landcruiser. Basically, customers come to us. He's got a bit of a tourer, wanted to fit it out electrically with some of the gear that we've done. This customer's actually done a lot of the fit out himself, including the inside of the canopy, which is really smick. He's used a lot of our products and he's brought us to finish up the wiring. We've also got some perception driving lights up on the top there that he requested to put it in. They're the Canopy series on the outside and the perception 7-inch carbons in the middle, so he's certainly going to light up the night with those guys. Wander around the side here. Obviously a fairly serious tourer. He's got a roof tent, a big awning, everything set up ready to go. The roof tent's been coupled with 280 watt Redarc solar panels and 120 watt Redarc solar panel up on top, and that's all wired up through our Redarc Redvision system with the Manager 30, which is going to be a really nice bit of gear. He's also purchased off us a 130 litre Bushman upright. These fridges are smick as far as the weight for the physical internal space is second to none. It's heaps lighter than any sort of chest fridge, and very, very popular in Canopy fit outside of this. He's also fitted up a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter, wired up the actual 240 volt plugs and the input. I've just wired it up for him, so he's done a magnificent job there. The Redvision obviously controls everything here from the actual unit. We've also able to pair that with an app and give you the ability to use all those functionalities on your phone as well. You'll see here we've got our lights, we can operate our inverter, we've got our water pump, numerous other lights, fridge, the power to his roof tent upstairs, and his 12 volt sockets. So that's all there controllable from this unit. It also gives you a battery display. You can scroll across and get the amount of amps that you're currently using. You've got the amount of amps that is coming in from the actual charger itself. You can also then scan across and have a look at solar inputs and all sorts of information there, which is really handy. And again, you get all that from your app as well. So it's great when you want to switch all your circuits on and off. Takes it all to one central unit. Is a really nice bit of gear. If we wander around the other side, we've also got the LED lights on each wing, which is controlled by this unit. They are switchable to orange as well as white. They're the metre long versions, which are quite handy. You just switch those little switches up there to swap it over from orange to white. So they're very popular. They come in 30 centimetre, 60 centimetre and metre long units, and that's the metre long unit. We strip around the back here. Again, you can have a look at this ute. She's got the rear wing. She's really been set up for doing some long distance touring, particularly out back. And he's now coupled off with a fantastic electrical system to be able to do that. In the other side of the canopy, you will see the guts of the Redarc system, the Manager 30, the distribution box. Everything's fused through the distribution box. Everything runs to a central point. Obviously the sine wave pure sine wave inverter will run all your accessories, and obviously if you plug into 240 volt, that Manager 30 will charge the auxiliary battery system. Now the auxiliary battery system is actually coupled to a pair of 120 amp hour 12 volt direct lithium batteries, and they're actually mounted back in here under the fridge. So if we pop back over, basically we've got 6 wing nuts down each side of the fridge, which allows the upright fridge to come out. There's an Anderson plug on the back which can unplug the fridge and get out of the way. And what we'll do is we'll pop that out now and show you behind the scenes where the batteries and all the bits and pieces are mounted. Okay, we've just popped the fridge out here. As I said, 6 wing nuts that just pop off there, and that actually pulls the 130 litre Bushman fridge out. And gives us access to behind the scenes. So what this is enabled to do is actually hide away a lot of the cables in the void behind. It also gives the fridge a lot of air gap behind the actual fridge itself, which is good, which they need to be efficient, particularly in the hot weather. What you'll see here is a pair of 120 amp hour 12 volt direct lithium batteries. They're only 13 kgs each, so 240 amp hours of power. Obviously charged from the Redvision system gives this vehicle a huge amount of power. Solar being such a high amount of wattage also will charge that extensively. So that's a little bit of an insight of what just goes on behind the fridge and actually hides everything away there. You'll also see here, customers fit up himself a Country Comfort hot water service. It's a gas hot water unit. It's got a little sink tap on here which is connected to a pump, and there's a shower on the other side which is also connected to this unit, and an 80 litre water tank underneath. Something unique which he's done, we don't sell these but it's quite worth mentioning, he's got a pump system in the back here with a filtration system and an ultraviolet filter. He tells me it's for being able to pump quite rancid or terrible water from the likes of Canning Stockroot or wherever you're travelling, and it filters it to be drinkable, so he can fill his water tank by swapping his hoses around and pump out of some terrible water but make it work. So basically this has been a really good little fit out. We do very custom stuff when it comes to wiring. Some products that we've used in this one is obviously 12 volt direct. For the lithium batteries we've got Redarc, which has supplied the Redvision system, Country Comfort for the hot water service and the hose kits. This is all available on our website. You can give us a call. Obviously the driving lights etc. are also from us via Perception. Check out our website, give us a call, come down and see us. Obviously COVID at the moment, so it's restricting everyone, but we are open, we are running, and we're still doing big fit outs. So come on down and say good day.